In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the media autoplay in Microsoft Edge. So first of all, just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings. And from here in the search settings, write media autoplay. If you want to head over from the sections, you will click on privacy, search and services. Then you go to site permissions and all permissions and you will find that option here. But it's much quicker to use this search option. So we have used that. So click on that. So if you want to block it, control if the audio and video play automatically on the sites. If you want to block it, you can change it to block or allow or whatever you want. Or also you can add customized behavior for a particular site if you want to block it completely for a particular site like Facebook, because you find it quite disturbing. As soon as you scroll down, it starts playing the audio and videos automatically on your feed. Here's how you can block that individual site as well. So pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.